3 minutes ago. Actually took 2 weeks for them to do it this time. Let me open it up. See how it is. I like using Vistaprint in the past. They usually are pretty quick and they do a pretty good job and they got a lot of options. Cut that right open. Alright, what should we look at first? I think these are the Christmas cards. They look like they're in good condition. It's pretty well packed with bubble wrap. I ordered 1,000 tracts and 250 Christmas cards. I think, see if I can compare. These must be the Christmas cards because they got the white side on them. Let's take a look at the Christmas cards first. I like to pull up on it. Ooh, the back side's looking really nice. I can read the verse, Romans 12:10. Little Merry Christmas. Front side is my family. Beautiful family right there. A little Merry Christmas. For unto you is born this day in the city of David a Savior, which is Christ the Lord. Luke 2 verse 11 at the bottom. And Merry Christmas in the center. This is going to be a really great Christmas card. I can put a little note here, put an address, put a return address, and a stamp. Really great deal. I love doing business with Vistaprint. I always love getting a new tract in the mail. See what it looks like. Different set of verses on it this time. This is the back side. Wow, that turned out really well. Well balanced. Looks like a little cross. I don't know, maybe some of the verses are a little staggered. Probably could have a crispier cross, but I can read them all. You got Ephesians 2:8 and 9, 1 John chapter 5 and 13, Isaiah 40:31, and then some from Romans and Hebrews, and then you got a little heart. John 3:16, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have everlasting life. Then let's look at the front. Ooh, crisp. Very centered. I like that. Clear thank you note with the Psalm 139 verse 14 on it. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. Psalm 139 verse 14. Really great. Beautiful flowers. Nice hearts. Really encouraging. Back is a matte finish. It's very flat in texture. You could write on it. The front side is glossy. It's going to work great. It's going to look real good. I like that. Great verse. Well, that's it, guys. Like and subscribe. See ya.